So in your CLI, we always say that there should be a need for using some stuff in IT. And so why you would need a CLI is because in the real world, most of the systems that you're going to be working on are Linux based. So most servers that you'll be working on are somehow built on Linux. And so most of them will not even have a graphical user interface. And in order for you to navigate it, you cannot use the mouse and right click and do stuff. You only have a terminal, and you only have some screen, and you have something there, and then it will require you to write some commands. And this is the essence of learning the CLI. Another reason why you would want to learn the CLI is because it helps you to work effectively and efficient because it's faster. So we'll demonstrate why I think it's faster, and then we would all agree to it or not. It's either we agree or disagree, but we'll come to some conclusion and see whether or not my claims are right, because it's more effective or it's more efficient to use the command line than to use your mouse and to see graphics. We'll come to that conclusion very soon.